things and what they really need to work on.
Yap!
Oh my goodness! Crazy shooting from way out beyond the three-point line for James Yap.
That loose ball. Last one. Puts it up for the tie.
Yes, sir.
And James will get a bonus free throw to try and get Raiders shine back the lead. De La Rosa whistle for the foul. Will line it up. James knocks home the long bomb. Ang sabi ng Tres have a slight important ranking from Fundador. Yap for three. Curling around Belga and putting it up.
Yap! Using one of his million moves! James Yap announcing his return to the PBA. And it is love. Labas kay Yap. James Yap. Oh man! This is vintage James.
Ang balls dito.
But guess who's there to save the day? Big Game James.
You know, I like the way James has really whipped himself back up into shape and prepared a lot for this tournament and what they really need to work on.
In set. Yap.
Oh my goodness! Crazy shooting from way out beyond the three-point line for James Yap.
12 points for James Yap in 7 minutes of action here.
That's a three.
Yap on the attack. Gusto mang bumawi. Isa masamang performance niyan makalanan. He gets the last two pages.
James spins, one-hander. There you go. 5 quick ones for big game. Everybody to jump at least one time. Ganda, laki ng kamay eh.
Big game James for three. That's good!
Ayun ang hinihintay. Ito panoorin natin ulit. There's James Yap. No hesitation in pulling the trigger. Oh, they take the outside shot. 3 points. Oh, yes, he got it again. James Yap. That's 2 3-pointers. That was a 2-on-1. He went for a pull-up 3.
Not there for the pass. And a turnover against Blackwater.
James from deep.
Buster shot there by James Yap.
Nandun yung double team. Oh, look at that. They're asking for continuation.
Pass is good for James Yap.
Shot clock. James Yap. He lost Bradman Gito. On skates. On the floor. Late recovery. Boom, boom, baby.
Yap. Off that pick from Belga. Up and away. He gets the basket.
Down in defense.
Tatlo yung dinaanan to.